Hi guys, Scania Man here. Today I'm going to show you the inside of my Scania R560 V8. It's a 2010 model. It's been a pretty good truck. It's done nearly a it's nearly done 1 million Ks. Obviously you can see it's a manual, obviously. On the bunk fridge. It's both one fridge and the freezer. Manual, obviously. Got a 12-speed manual shift in it. Very easy to use. See the bed. It's not overly big cab. It's not the big cab like you guys in Europe would have. Microwave. I would turn the key on, but turn the truck on, but isolate's turned off to save the battery. And park brake. This is it's 99 ton rated. It's got a big back end on it. And I'll get out and show you the back end. Hold on. Oh. See, here's the front of it. So here's the front of it. You probably saw my last video. I'll come around. Sorry, I just got a name on there. I just don't want to show it. Here's the back end of it. Nice truck. It's been a loyal truck. I will do a video on my MAN. Walk through my MAN soon, and also upload another trucking video of me carting sheep, and hopefully that'll be next week. Okay, please subscribe, and Scania Man is out.